share your role. Put my heart out, is that what you want from me? I will hear until you call on me. For eternity, I will work until I earn my peace. It's okay if you leave, there's nothing I can do to keep you here. I turn my love one into the ones I fear. Substances, life choices, in just one instant, it get dark so quick. Do you know how to cope with that? Do you know how to roll with that? When I come back, baby, I'm better than you'll know. It'll be a change that you can visualize. If you see it right now, does it show? Is it only physically on my mind? Trust me, you don't wanna try that. Hella hours like a little shorty on an iPad. Hella growth, you can see it on the timestamp. These please pigeons, how you see how they move like flying rats. And this is my trap, where I reside at. You can never buy that, I got it on consignment. They come up on my mind, they run out, not on mine. Running up, oh, don't try it. Keep green with okay diet. I can show you about my sidekick, get me right after about 5 hits. I'll show you devices, in the vice grip. Have a nice trip, I'll see you never. I wish you kindness in your endeavors. When I come back, baby, I'm better than you'll know. It'll be a change that you can visualize. Do you see it right now? Does it show? Is it only physically?